Documents required for documentary credit. 1. The commercial invoice is one of the most important documents requested in all letters of credit. It is issued by the beneficiary, the exporter, and details the value, quantity, and specifications of the goods being shipped. Certificate of origin. 2. A certificate of origin is requested in all letters of credit and is issued by the Chamber of Commerce in the beneficiary's exporter's country. This document indicates the place of production or manufacture of the imported goods. It must be authenticated similarly to the commercial invoice, and imported goods from different places may be subject to different customs duties. 3. Bill of lading. A bill of lading is requested in all letters of credit. The type of bill of lading depends on the shipping method. For air shipment, an airway bill is required, and for sea shipment, an ocean bill of lading is required. The bill of lading serves as a receipt for goods, a contract of transport, and the document of title. It is issued by the transport company for receiving the goods for shipment and inspecting the external condition of the packages to ensure proper packing. Banks usually request a clean bill of lading to confirm that the goods were received in good condition. The bill contains details such as the port of loading, destination, shipping cost, and how the payment is made. The bank issuing the letter of credit typically requests that the bill of lading be made out to its order, since the bill serves as a document of title to the goods. The bank will only release the bill to the client after the letter of credit is settled. 4. Weight certificate. This certificate is required for goods sold based on weight, such as sugar, rice, and tea. It is usually issued by the beneficiary, but can also be provided by specialized weighing institutions. Buyers generally accept the certificate issued by the beneficiary, as they can verify the weight listed in the weight certificate with the weight stated on the bill of lading issued by the carrier. 5. Packing list. A packing list is requested when the goods are not homogeneous to identify the contents of each package. For example, when importing household items, clothing, and shoes in the same shipment, the packages are numbered sequentially, and the packing list specifies the contents of each package. This helps authorities determine the correct customs duties without needing to open every package. The packing list is usually issued by the beneficiary unless the letter of credit stipulates otherwise. 6. Specification list. When goods depend on size or dimensions, such as wood or iron, a specification list is required as part of the documents. This list specifies the dimensions, length, width, height, and any other relevant specifications. It is typically issued by the beneficiary. 7. Inspection certificate. An inspection certificate is issued by specialized inspection companies that examine and inspect the goods before shipping. The inspection cannot occur at the exporter's warehouse, as the goods could be altered afterward. Instead, the inspection involves taking a random sample of the goods that will be shipped. This certificate ensures that the shipped goods match the specifications listed in the letter of credit, especially when there is a lack of trust between the importer and exporter. The inspection certificate reassures the buyer that the goods are in good condition before shipment. An alternative to the inspection certificate is for the buyer to send one of their employees to inspect the goods at the port of departure, although this can be expensive. 8. Health certificate. A health certificate is required for letters of credit involving the import of food products, such as canned goods, milk, and its derivatives, or meat. This certificate ensures that the products are fit for human or animal consumption and is issued by the Ministry of Health in the exporting country. The imported food and meat are also inspected by health authorities in the importing country to ensure they are fit for consumption before being released to the market. Additional documents may be required depending on the nature of the goods, such as a certificate of analysis, fumigation certificate, or agricultural certificate.